Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're making two delicious dishes. A coconut milk fish curry with bitter gourd mellum. Let's jump right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need for both dishes. Grate the bitter gourd. Add 3 tablespoons of scraped coconut. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the hot pan. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of green chilies. Add dried red chilies to the pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add cinnamon to the pan. Add curry leaves to the pan. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Add dried sprats to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the bitter gourd to the pan. Cook on low fire for 7 minutes. Add fresh lemon juice. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Add a teaspoon of pepper. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add garlic and onions to the pan. Add ginger to the pan. Add curry leaves, pandan leaves and lemongrass. Add tomatoes to the pan. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add cinnamon, cardamom and clove. Add the fish to the pan. Add 1 glass of thick coconut milk. Add 1/2 glass of thick coconut milk. Cook for 20 minutes. Add fresh lemon juice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Take care, and see you in the next video.